So George has an annuity that pays $1,250 at the beginning of each quarter. If the economy grows at a rate of 3.49% annually, what is the value of the annuity if he received it in a lump sum now rather than over the period of 9 years? So it tells us here, $1,250 at the beginning of each quarter. So beginning of each quarter. Says that we have a rate, though, of 3.49% annually. So what is the value of the annuity if he received it in a lump sum now rather than over the period of 9 years? So what I'm going to do here, it says that it's made at the beginning. Okay, since I know it's made at the beginning, I'm going to use the present value annuity due. Now what we need to do here is, if you notice in this example, it shows that he's getting $1,250 at the beginning of each quarter. But his account is actually growing at a rate of 3.49% annually. So these two values don't match. One is showing you that it's compounding 2 times. One is showing you that there's actually, if I were to figure this up, this is showing me that I have $5,000 put in here each year for the entire year. So they get $5,000 for the entire year. The rate is 3.49% for the year. So when you go to plug this into your calculator, you're going to put in C is the 5,000. You've got to put in the entire amount since it's compounded 1 time per year. Since it's only compounding 1 time per year, and it's 3.49% here, and it says 9 years. So right here, it's going to show me what that would be now if I were to actually take that amount. So it's $39,384.13.